Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
Open PowerPoint and create the file for your assignment now. You want the right slide size and consistent fonts. That prevents reformatting later. Once the file exists, build a title slide with course name, assignment title, your name, and date so graders see details immediately. Make sure to save with a descriptive file name and enable auto-save if available. Now add a short outline slide to map your talking points. That guides every following slide and speeds content placement. Work slide by slide, placing a single main idea and a clear heading at the top. That keeps focus and helps marking. Once a heading exists, add a few bullet points or a visual, charts or images communicate complex info faster. Make sure to use the slide master for consistent fonts, colors, and logos so edits apply everywhere. If you need citations, place them in a small footer or end slide. Review alignment and whitespace to make reading effortless at a glance. Once content is set, run the slideshow from start to finish and check animations, transitions, and any hyperlinks. After that, export both a PDF for submission and a PPTX for edits. Include speaker notes or a references slide if requested. Make sure file size is reasonable by compressing large images. If a graphic goes missing on another computer, relink or reinsert it and save again. This usually fixes broken paths. Finally, double-check slide order and file.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.